Hi friends, it's Lena from Wisco Bujo and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do one of my favorite things, which is unboxing my stationery haul. So I have all of these packages. So 3 of them, which are the big ones, are from stationery shops and 2 of the letters are from Patreons. So the 2 Patreons are Hippie Post and Leelajournals. And you guys, it was really hard for me not to open all of these as soon as they arrive, because the first thing I want to do when I get a bunch of mail is to rip it all open and see what I bought. But I waited patiently so I could film this video for you guys, and you can hopefully live vicariously through me by looking at all the items I purchased. Tootsie, would you like to help me open mail? No, she's like, why did you disturb me from my nap so you can open mail? But I just wanted to show you this size comparison of this box. This box is from Paper Minty Studio and Tootsie. Tootsie, you look so small! It's time for a stationery unboxing. She is so unbothered. With me! First up, we have this beautiful envelope from Hippie Post. Sadly, she did get my first name wrong. It's actually Lena, not Linda, but that is a common mistake, so it's alright. As I mentioned before, this is a Patreon letter, so this is her paper mail tier, which I think is at $10. So included in this mail is a physical mail, which is the paper bundle that you'll see here soon, as well as a bunch of printables. So I think it's about 2 printables a month, and they're really cute. A lot of times they are these beautiful girl designs, so I like to print them out and cut them out and put them on my envelopes for some vintage style mail. This is my first mail I've ever gotten from Hippie Post, so this paper bundle is just absolutely gorgeous. I love the speckled papers. My favorites are the ones that have little pieces of leaves or like flower petals. I just think it's such an aesthetic and it's so pretty, and they're all perfect for junk journaling and snail mail. Secondly, we have this package from Leelajournals. So this is her Satin Pathos tier, which is at $25. There usually are sticker sheets and sticker flakes, as well as some extras that she throws in there. I was super sad because the first time I subscribed, I really wanted to get this like cactus themed that she had, but I missed out on it and got the next one. But so far, everything I've received from her is just really beautiful. First up, we have this beautiful print. This is the first time I've received a big print in one of her packages, and it's just so gorgeous. The detailing on this teacup is just adorable. We have a sticker sheet that has kind of like sewing vibes to it, and then the next one is just dots with text and print. So I really like these types of stickers because they're really great for just layering. And then of course we have our usual 4 flakes and some extras. Next up, we have this little baby package from Pinky Elephant. The cool thing about the Pinky Elephant is that it's based in LA, which is in the United States, so that makes it easier to get stationery from Asia that doesn't cost an arm and a leg to ship here, which, you know, is always nice. You don't have to pay that much in shipping. So we have these print-on stickers where I just cut them out and then I press it onto an envelope. I use my boning knife, but I think they have like an actual tool that you can use to press down these types of stickers onto the paper to adhere it. They also included this freebie pet tape of this cat, and it's super cute. Fun fact, I am very allergic to cats, but I do like cat stuff, and I think they're cool most of the time, but I'm more of a dog person. I was also eyeing this Payan pet tape. I think it's like their She pet tape, and it's just so perfect because the girl illustrations are so gorgeous, as you're about to see now. Next up we have Paper Minty Studio, and as you all may or may not know, Paper Minty Studio is one of my favorite stationery shops ever. I just love all of her stickers and washi tapes and other stationery items. I basically just buy them all the time. I actually have a full sticker album of just Paper Minty Studio sticker sheets, as well as 2 full rows of washi tapes. So you know those Michael drawers, I have 3 of those, and like one of those pull-out drawers is just like full of Paper Minty Studio washi tape, which I know is a lot, but you know, I just love to support my friends and their small businesses. First up, we have this beautiful print, which I already have a few of. So one of them is on my wall, another is in the sticker album, and then I just gave some away to my pen pals because I just have way too many. I was eyeing this washi for a while, so I just went ahead and bought it because, you know, I can. Now we have some sticker sheets, and Nani always includes the most beautiful freebies ever. I always just end up hoarding them because it's just too pretty to use. We have these beautiful petal flowers with just some shapes. And then I actually have this one in the regular matte version, but I wanted the clear matte version, so I bought that one as well, and some postal stickers. And then last but not least, this beautiful B6 Bujo. So recently Nani released a line of bullet journals, and it was released on like this Tuesday at 10 a.m. and I went on with the intention of buying the B6 journal at like 10:45, and come to find out it was already sold out. So I was so sad. So I still bought another Bujo in the A5 size in the nude color because I still wanted to support her. But I reached out to Nani, and she is so amazing. She had some extras left over and sold me this B6 journal, which I now have, and it's just so cute and little. I don't have any journals of this size, so I'm really excited to start using this Bujo. Since I already have my Bujo for my monthly and weekly planning, I think I'm going to use this one as like a media journal. So every time I read or watch something, I'm just going to record it and write how I feel about it in this Bujo. Last but not least, we have this somewhat decently large package from niconeco zakkaya. I don't know if I said that right, but I tried my best. The cool thing about their stationery shop is that they actually have a flagship brick and mortar store in New York. So if I'm ever in New York, I'm definitely going to stop by and spend a lot of money. But in this case, it's really nice because they have a bunch of stationery products and brands from Japan, China, Taiwan, Malaysia, etc. So it's nice I don't have to pay a whole lot for shipping to get it here in the US. So first up we have this Avril yarn mini cone in this black color with these little frays on it. It's really pretty to use in snail mail and also to tie up, you know, envelopes as well as cute little packages. And I've recently found this obsession with Avril yarn after I bought like 5 mini cones from Journal Pages, but Journal Pages is located in Malaysia, so the shipping is kind of a lot, but it was nice that niconeco zakkaya had one of the Avril yarns available. So the first paper pad is an actual paper pad from niconeco zakkaya, so it's really cool that they have their actual own line of stationery. And this one I just wanted to buy because it has those little black kind of stamps and the paper is really thin, so it'd be great for layering. The next 4 items are these letterpress labels and tags from Classicy. I've been eyeing them for quite a while from other stationery shops, but they were mostly based in like Japan and China and Malaysia, so I finally stumbled across niconeco zakkaya and saw that they had them stocked, so of course I had to buy them. These tags and labels are just perfect because they have all that negative space, so you can either, you know, write something like write someone's address and put it on an envelope, or you can put some stickers or stamps there, and they're just perfect for vintage style envelopes and for junk journaling. So I'm just super excited to use these in my junk journal as well as my snail mail. Then we have this paper pack from Freckles Tea. So y'all, I've been having this obsession with Freckles Tea stationery. I've bought like every pet tape I could possibly find, and I saw this paper pack and I was like, wow, this is so perfect, I need to have it. So they are such an aesthetic and they're gonna go perfect with my January theme, and luckily I have not finished all of my January Bujo spreads yet, so I can use them in my bullet journal spreads. Then we have this niconeco zakkaya letterpress label book, so it's just a bunch of monthly type labels, and it only starts on Monday for the first, so I can't really use them for each month, but they're just nice for layering. Lastly, we just have this little letter garden paper pack, and I just also thought it'd be great for layering, so I bought it just because I could, and I also wanted to get free shipping, so I spent over $65 for this stationery haul, which yes is kind of a lot, but you know what, I work for my money and I can spend it however I'd like. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed my stationery unboxing. It was quite a joy to open each and every item with you, and if you liked it, please comment, like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!